Okay, today I've got this interesting package right here in the mail, so I'll be unboxing that for your guys' entertainment. Okay, now just gotta open this here. I'll be back with something really sharp. Hey, what's up? Today we are going to be using the Master Sword to open this package. So, ready? Steady? Wah! There we go. It's a beauty, isn't she? Okay. Okay, we're gonna be unboxing my new DSi XL that I bought the other day, which is insane because it's shipped from Maryland and whatever. So I actually bought this after the first thing I bought, which hasn't arrived yet. So weird, but I'll unbox it for you guys. So looks like there's a little DS symbol right here. Gonna have to take this off. I did buy it used though. That's why it's so cheap. $66 is great. And then inside this beautiful box, it's like we got a little more box. And then if we totally keeping this box though, it looks awesome. Take that off. Looks like we got a little charger. You know, that's kind of useful. Made by Nintendo. That's kind of the point. And then looks like it got some instructions or something. Let me read this stuff on top first. This is something saying how to play online or whatever, so that's interesting. Then this looks like it's some sort of magazine subscription. What date? I mean, it has the Wii on the front, so 2010, 9 years too late. Fudge. Club Nintendo, advertising, something about the Nintendo DS. Oh, something about the pre-installed apps, which are Brain Age Math, Brain Age Plus, Arts and Letters. I'm bad at reading today, so. And then I got Photo Clock, so Maths, Arts and Letters, and then my little Photo Clock. Got a quick start guide here. Read that a million years later. And then got an operator's manual. Normally it's called an owner's manual, but that's cool. Okay. Yeah. One sec. Move you, and you. And then looks like, oh, there's actually 2 more items in here. Well, first, looks like we got our stylus, which is awesome. So I'll put that baby aside. Then I wonder what's in this one. Put the beautiful box over there. See, wherever they got this from, it was selling for like almost $200, and then they moved it down a lot. But I got it for even cheaper because it was used or whatever. So that's epic. Oh, jeez. But in here, hair. No. Yes. I went on Amazon and bought hair. Totally worth the $66, but okay, here's the real item. Got my little, see my little camera set up there, but yeah, got my new DSi XL. It's in perfect condition. Okay. Well, I got a little stylus over here too. I did already take this, unbox it before, and then I put an SD card in it, and I put a game in it, as you can see. But here's to the real thing. Actually, if you guys know what that is, please tell me, because it's got the little headphone jack, and it's got this weird thing right here. Don't know what it is, but it has a nice big camera on it. It's a really nice, pretty color. And then, yeah, inside, we got a really nice DS. Looks like we have a little light for Wi-Fi charging and it being on or whatever. So, sorry, I just smacked the camera, but it's got an actual power button. It's got actual volume buttons as well. Got the normal D-pad, start and select over here. Then I got the A, B, Y, and X. It's got really nice speakers, by the way. Hey, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my case I bought for it. Just casually walks by like, I don't care about your video. You can go take a dump in your lawn. You strange cat, you. You guys saw that? What did my cat just eat? Because looked like he ate something. Not sure if he did or not, but here's the case I bought for $5 at my favorite store, Disc Traders. And then I got this other case for my DS Lite. Classic one, you know. This blue cobalt baby. I got this trash here. But yeah, I already loaded up the case. Here. Because I bought it before this. As you can see, I bought another one of these styluses at my favorite store. Got another charger in here. Got a crud load of games. Up top are all my favorite games right there. And on this side's all crap, and that's crap there. And then, you know, I got the slot for the DS, my earbuds, but what I actually got this for is, I got this for free, you know? And it's a present, it came with this baby, so. That other case I bought for $5. Okay, gonna clean up this baby off. Long day. Had a photo shoot today, so it's like, but yeah. Clean this baby off. Go over here and then clean off top screen. I'm sorry that I keep hitting the camera though, guys. See, I did it again. I just have problems with hitting the camera. I mean, this back is really cool, but you gotta keep it nice and clean, so that's a little sad. But it's a really nice DS. Flatten out the space here, maybe. Huh? I'm gonna move you guys a bit. But yeah, just gotta turn this thing on. And you're greeted with the original load up screen here. And then, you know, I'm gonna use this. Got some pictures on there already. Then down here I got the game I have in there. Settings already set up. Guide before this was called Cotton Ball. You know what, here's the camera, which is actually really good, so I'll show you guys it. Well, it is. I gotta get comfortable here. Sorry. First, I'll show you my album. Got lots of pictures in here. And this is the owner. I actually had it before me. This is Dresser. And a Santa Claus photo because he's a grandpa apparently. Oh, there's me. Wait, I skipped one. There's the owner right there. Yeah. He looks cool. Looks like a nice grandpa. So, I'm gonna go back and take this camera here. Now I'm gonna take a picture of you guys. So, say hi. I mean, say cheese. See, it's a really nice photo for an old device like this, you know? I really like it. Yeah, let's just leave that. But yeah, it's got sound, voice recorder. It's got the shop. Got download and play, never use that. It's got Oprah on it. The everlasting Picto chat. Oh, it has the Flipnote studio, which you make flipbooks in. Actually made one or two. So, let's view one of those. Okay, so this is the first one I made. Yep. And then I got this one. I don't know why I made that. Then it came with some already pre-installed ones, like this cat and a skateboard. Or this weird one. I don't know who made this, but it looks really good. And then we got this one, which is super weird. I mean, this is really cool, though. And we got this one, Hidden Techniques. And this weirdo, kicking this dude in the butt. Yeah. Okay. Go back to the home screen. We got the internet access, the math thingy, the letter thingy, and the picto clock. But besides that, that's just about it. But in all, it's a really great device. Well, Nintendo system, handheld one thing. I'll turn that off. But it looks beautiful. You know, so yeah. I'm gonna put this up now, so. What are you doing, you weirdo? The cat's hilarious. No flies around here. Dang it, almost got that poo. Well, I gotta repackage all this now. So, see you guys on the flip side. Not gonna package it back in the box, though. Crap. Forgot. As I said earlier, I'm really sorry I keep hitting the camera. But there we go. That baby's back in there. Yeah, that's gonna be about it. So whenever this comes out, I hope you enjoy it. So, Jesus, 50 minutes long. Well, see ya in the next video or whatever, which hopefully will be soon. Maybe that'll be showing you guys my new PlayStation that I bought. But if you like this video, smash that like button in the face. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below. It's down there. And if you want to see any of my other videos, check the subscription. Well, bye.